Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping high-quality salmon. This matters because texture and safety are everything. Dice the fish into small cubes so the dressing can coat each piece. Once diced, season lightly with salt to firm the flesh. Meanwhile, whisk fish sauce, lime juice, and sugar. These balance savory, sour, and sweet. Make toasted rice or use store-bought powder for texture. It will bind juices later. Make sure to keep ingredients cold so the salmon holds its shape and stays safe. Once the dressing is ready, combine the salmon with shallots, chilies, and herbs. You want contrast: sharp shallots, bright herbs, and heat from chilies. Gently fold, never smash, to preserve flake and texture. Add toasted rice powder last so it absorbs excess liquid and creates the characteristic grainy mouthfeel. If it clumps, sprinkle gradually. Taste and adjust: more lime for brightness, more fish sauce for depth, or a pinch of sugar to round. Chill briefly so flavors settle before serving. You finish by plating immediately on lettuce leaves or warm sticky rice for contrast. Adding extra herbs and lime wedges brightens each bite. Make sure to serve cold and consume within 24 hours because raw fish shortens safe storage time. Never refreeze. If the mixture becomes watery, don't panic. Add more toasted rice powder to absorb moisture and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so textures tighten. If flavors feel flat, a squeeze of lime and a pinch more fish sauce will lift the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.